In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Gmail contacts. Creating groups or labels in Google Contacts is a simple way to organize people you email often, like your team, your clients, or your family. Once you set this up, you can email an entire group with just a few clicks instead of adding each person one by one. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. The easiest way is to type Google Contacts into your search bar, or click the Contacts option from the Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. When Google Contacts loads, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with options like Contacts, Frequently Contacted, and so on. In that area, look for the option to create a new label. This is usually represented by a plus sign next to the word label or create label. Click the plus sign to create a new label. A small window will pop up asking you to type in a label name. This is where you choose what you want to call your group. For example, you might name it Project Team, Family, or Clients 2026. Choose something clear so you'll recognize it later when you're composing emails. Once you've typed in your group name, click the Save button in that little pop-up window. Your new group label is now created, and you should see it appear in the list of labels on the left side. Next, you need to add people to this group. To do that, click on Contacts in the left panel so you see your full list of contacts in the main area. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific person. When you find a contact you want to add to the group, click and hold on that contact's name, then drag it over to the label you just created in the left sidebar and drop it onto that label. This assigns that contact to the group. Repeat this drag and drop action for each contact you want to include. That's it. You've created a group in Gmail Contacts and added people to it. Now when you're in Gmail, you can simply type the label name in the To field, and Gmail will automatically fill in everyone in that group.